Now, while this might be a cheat, I would like to add Cast-O-Matic to my list of technologies. And the reason I picked this one is that it's new to me, but I think it's something that I might like to explore. I think it would be really good for my Algebra 2 students. I assign a quadratic equations project every year. Most of my students do posters, or they'll do like a flip book on posters, and that's great. I did have one student do a voice recording, which was fine. But I think that if they were able to use something like this, a Cast-O-Matic, and then upload it to YouTube, that could throw in some other things that they might be interested in, and they might like to learn to use. There are several standards that I think this would work for. One would be collaboration. They can work with their peers on this. They can share the videos with each other. They can share the links with each other. They can do part of the project and then share the link with me, and I can do some grading, pre-grading on it. They would definitely have ownership in this, and it would definitely nurture their creativity. I would be able to see what it is. I'm sure that I could learn from them. There's probably things that they know that I certainly don't know, and as I get older, sometimes I'm hesitant to learn new things. So learning new things isn't always bad. So that's my third one.